The trash in the French Quarter in downtown should stay on schedule. That's according to the mayor's lawyers and the company picking up the trash. This morning, a judge heard arguments about whether or not an emergency contract recently issued by the mayor can move forward. Alyssa Curtis was in the courtroom when that judge announced his decision. So, Alyssa, what'd you find out?
Well, Henry Consulting can pick up trash in the French Quarter and the downtown development district starting July 31st for now. While the decision over the contracts has been put on hold, the back and forth between the mayor and the council is seemingly far from over. Mayor Cantrell secured a win in court Wednesday after a judge announced the emergency trash contract with Henry Consulting can be executed. A judgment is expected from the Fourth Circuit soon on a separate lawsuit about the same issue. Judge Sidney Cates, who ruled Wednesday in civil court, said he didn't want to run the risk of inconsistent judgments.
According to what just happened, Henry Consulting will start providing services effective July 31st.
So for now, the emergency contract stands. In a statement, Henry Consulting tells WWL Louisiana, quote, Henry Consulting looks forward to commencing work on July 31st. But the mayor's victory Wednesday isn't being celebrated by everyone. First, by the New Orleans residents who brought the case.
We think the evidence is clear that there was no legitimate emergency.
And possibly even more disappointed, members of the city council.
I think the judge had pre-decided the case. I think that is a complete travesty.
Council President J.P. Morrell and Council Vice President Helena Moreno have expressed concern that Mayor Cantrell manufactured an emergency to get the vendor she wanted.
The director of sanitation has already said Henry Consulting is not prepared to do this work. Whatever happens on July 31st, you can thank Mayor LaToya Cantrell and Judge Sidney Cates.
But Mayor Cantrell's lawyer, Charles Rice, said the judge's decision makes it clear.
I think what the court confirmed was that the mayor followed the law.
For now, the contract moves forward, but the back and forth isn't over. The Fourth Circuit is expected to hear arguments regarding these trash contracts during the first week of August. In a statement, Mayor Cantrell said, quote, there will not be a break in service to this area. The city reiterates that it will continue to work with all parties to achieve the best possible outcomes for its residents.
All right, thanks so much, Alyssa, and we'll have continuing coverage as the legal battle continues. Look for those updates on our website, our smartphone app, and our social media pages.